Hey there, pharmacy owners. Dr. Lisa Faast here, and I got some really great questions this past week from my GSD cohort of pharmacy owners. And I think it's because it's getting coming up to vacation time. It's May, we're looking ahead to summer. And so this question was kind of a common recurrence this past week. And the question was, how do I get my pharmacy to run without me? Now, sometimes it was phrased in a couple of different ways, but that was essentially the gist of it. Like, how in the world do I get my pharmacy to run with me not, being there every day, not pointing fingers, do this, do that, not checking up on the employees? Like, how do I do that? So that is one of my things that I love to do. Like, I love to create systems and set up things. It's actually one of the main reasons I started Pharmacy Badass University, was to be able to help pharmacy owners create that structure. And so I want to talk to you today about one of my favorite tools, and it's an employee management tool. Is the way that I look at it, that really helps to start answer that question: how do I get my pharmacy to run without me? And the tool is a controlling calendar. Now, everybody, whether you're a member or not, can download the template for controlling calendar. You can do that from our website, DiversifyRX.com. Obviously, inside the membership, we have trainings and support and stuff to actually help go implement it. And really, the controlling calendars is kind of the first step of the process of really creating a pharmacy that will run without you. But if you are, like many pharmacy owners, planning the summer, looking ahead, maybe some people are going to be gone, maybe you're going to be gone, and you want the pharmacy to, still run, right? Like, we still have to service our patients even if somebody is gone. So part of that process is creating a controlling calendar. Now, what is a controlling calendar? It really isn't a calendar in the sense that we think of, Tuesday is the 3rd of this month. But what it is, it's a task tracker for the entire month. So the controlling calendar has 1 through 31 days. So obviously it fits any month. And then it has all the various tasks for a specific position. That is the big key here. Not for person, for position. So for a certain position, what does that position need to do on a daily basis, a weekly basis, monthly basis, quarterly, PRN, some other frequency? So you're looking at that position and looking at the requirements for that position. Now, I will say that many times in pharmacies with smaller staff, one person might do 2 different positions. You might have somebody who's an opening technician, and then they do deliveries in the afternoon. And so those are obviously 2 very different positions. And so when an employee is performing as a certain position, you want them to be able to refer to that controlling calendar so they have complete clarity on what is critical for that position, what are the things that must be done, and then they can self-manage to that list that you have created. So really, that's the controlling calendar is really just a checklist of sorts, that is by position. And so each person can come and go in terms of what position they're tracking, and you don't have to micromanage them. They can self-manage to that controlling calendar. And so really, that is the first step. There's obviously a more complete system that I like to talk about, the operating system for installing inside your pharmacy, where you have dashboards and performance metrics and those kinds of things. But to help you guys deal with summer and taking some time off, hopefully you do, then the controlling calendar is the place to start. So I invite you to download the templates if you haven't already. If you're a Pharmacy Badass University member, hop on a call with Mike, or join us for office hours if you're essentials and above, to help us refine that for you and get it detailed for you just right for your positions. And that way your employees can start managing themselves and not relying on you probably as much as they are now. So if you have any questions or anything, pop them down below. Happy to chat about it. And here's to a great summer vacation without micromanaging, right? Talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.